Hey YouTubers, good morning, Robb. Guys, want to talk real quick about immersion blenders that come with the food choppers. When you buy these, you're going to end up having two problems. The first problem is when you wash your chopper, water gets into the interior, and then you can hear it shaking around in there, and then you realize you've got skunky, filthy, dirty water in there, and using it to chop your food, and you want to throw it away. What I've done is I put a hole here and here and covered it with some Gorilla Tape clear. And if I would ever get water in there again, I can remove the tape and rinse this out with soapy water, then fresh water, and dry it out, and it is fine to use. When you wash your chopper, just put your thumb over it and then take a wash rag and clean this part. Otherwise, you're going to get water inside here, and it's not something you want to use with your food if you have water in there. The second thing is, I've never had a problem with the actual motor of the immersion blender, stick blender. The problem has been with the chopper and with the actual part that blends your food. This will burn up eventually because I think people use them too long. You should only use these for like a minute at the most, because if you use them too long, they start getting hot and they burn up. The second thing is there's a tiny bit of play, and when you use the stick blender and you move it around, it's moving the little shaft back and forth, and it's putting some tension on it. And it's better if you can to hold the blender and move the food, if you can, and use it for like a minute at the very most. Don't use it for 5 or 10 minutes. It's not an industrial mixer. So those are my two tips if you purchase an immersion blender. I've had very good luck with the Oster, but every one I've ever bought, I've ended up with having problem with the chopper part because water when it's washing, and these burn up on me eventually. But I find that if you don't use them for long periods of time, they last a lot longer. So those are my two tips for the immersion stick blender. Put out new videos every week. Been doing it for 14 years. Got over 1,000 videos. A bunch of cool people on my playlist down at the bottom. No relation to me. And and like I said, new videos every single week. Y'all come back and watch more. Take care. See you out there.